Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the lock shows the current combination and aligning all dials to that code. If you don't know it, try obvious defaults like 000 first. Place the luggage flat so the lock is steady, then expose the reset control. This is often a recessed button, tiny pinhole, or a flip lever beside the dials. Once you find it, prepare a small pointed tool or pen. You'll use it to engage the reset while you set the new numbers. With the reset engaged, pressed, held, or flipped, you now rotate each dial to your chosen new combination. You want a sequence you'll remember, but that isn't predictable, so pick something non-obvious and avoid all zeros or common patterns. Keep the reset mechanism continuously engaged while you align the numbers. This ensures the lock learns the new code. Once aligned, wait a full second, then release the reset control and close the lock to set the change. You finish by verifying the new combination immediately. Close and open the lock 2 to 3 times so you're sure it registered. If it fails, engage the reset again, press longer or firmly, and realign the dials. Sometimes tiny misalignment prevents a successful set. If the mechanism is stuck, don't force it. Instead, use a graphite or silicone spray lubricant and try again. Keep a written copy of the code in secure storage so you won't be locked out later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.